Hey, Cam. No, you're not. No, man. You coming? No, yeah.
He came late. He came late.
Nah, we keep it 100 with each other, bro. You come late.
I know you ain't tripping, but we just saying, bro. If you let it take it, cool.
How you gonna hear me if I say it in my regular voice? How you gonna hear me say it? He my cousin. I can talk to him how I want to. But you should understand. Goddamn, I've been doing this since you was a baby.
Y'all ready? I've been beating him up all my life. Tell him, baby, he's a baby.
Second that out the modest game. Hit the backside of the end zone. Shuffle pass forward. Good move. Good pull. Let's see that's going to be the first down. I think they're going to give him the first out here. I'm assuming it was the first. Third down, I'm sorry. Third down.
They yellow.
Oh, let him run, Zip. Go.
I think he stepped out, but I think got the first. Oh, maybe it was a pull. So it's going to be first down going the other way. Turnover on downs after the third down.
Hey! You got the touchdown box?
Which one? I'm sorry? Yeah. Predator Production. It's going to be on the barbecue chicken one too.
Gio! Riley!
Second down after the modest game.
What's the name of this thing?
Chicago Bullies.
Hey, get the fuck off my field, dog. He not me.
Oh, he dropped it.
He not me, too. I call that.
Hit him right in the hands, too.
Third down.
Right in the hands.
Third down.
10-40.
I knew that ain't got no watch.
I never did say you. Why you always trying to say police? That's how you be showing that. 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. Oh! Throw it back.
I think that's the first down run. Since he didn't yell turnover.
Turn me up. Hey, Siri. Throw that yellow. Hey, Siri. 10.
No, keep catching.
Got it, Riley. Yes, sir.
Got on the slant. 2 people missed a flag. Touchdown.
She got it, baby. She
Looking better.
go ahead. Shut your ass up, Corey.
Ready, Rev? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't got no move.
Second down after the modest game.
Take it down. Take it down. Flag, flag, flag center, flag center. Everybody make sure flags on the top. Appreciate you.
Got it, stop. That is going to be a first down.
I didn't see it either. Center. Go back. Hey, it's open now. It's open.
Third and goal. Gotta see I catch the ball. Trying to get on the swing.
Right here. We're gonna get the middle. Third down. We're gonna get the middle one. That one ain't gonna go back.
One of y'all rushing. Somebody got Stay there. Stay right there, Tay. Back up, though. Slide inside. Go. Back up, Tay.
She dropped it.
Yeah, third down. Hey, I just want that. Turnover.
Turn her run down. She dropped the ball in the end zone. She had the slant route.
I don't play go ahead. I just play defense. All them people do none of this shit. They got girls. I'll get on the video.
That's the way, Paul. Warning. He said, don't touch me. All right, good. Get off. Get off, bro. You got 6. Wait, how come you? 10. 5, 4, 3. 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. Back. Get out there, Phil.
I think it was a touchdown. I gotta confirm. Corey, what was that?
6.
6?
The score. Yeah,
6.
10. 1,000. 2, 1,000.
Go, take! Go!
Let's go, yes, 2.
They mama gonna be mad. Right, because you brought him up.
Take. He said shoot left. He didn't say back.
That's what we've been doing, Goofball.
I got 19-0 yellow.
Yes.
Shovel pass forward. I think it's hard to stop in co-ed when it's short, man. Non-contact, too. You turn around and you just sit, put your hand out straight. Almost automatic. I think you caught him short. So I'm gonna give him first down and goal. I'm not gonna change anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was trying to be funny on that one.
Good flag.
So we're going to be 30 yards back.
Second and goal. Shovel pass forward. Give him a few yards. Get him a little closer. You got to get to the blue line, not the white.
You think we don't know that?
Good catch. That's going to be a touchdown.
It's
19-9. 19-9. 19-9.
Hey, it's a big stop. It's a big stop.
He the one started the field second crap. Look, that's why he started laughing.
Damn! Oh, yeah, they got jokes today.
It's good.
Hey, Corey, let's go. Let's go.
11-19. 11-19. Okay. Second. Pretty good game.
One more time.
Because he didn't draw it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when
Okay, we stay there. Okay. Well, we don't stay there.
So we told him 6. Obviously, it's about 6. And they actually had a party too, though. Oh, right. All right, let's go, y'all. Let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry. I put timeout. It's supposed to be halftime. Sorry. My bad, guys. Wasn't timeout. It's halftime.
Thank you.
I pressed the wrong button. I think YTG's coming out on offense.
There we go.
No, Angela coming. Angela and RJ.
All right, clock is rolling.
Hey, where your bag at?
My bag right here. Nope. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Good flag.
Is it front of Devin?
Second down. Got a modest game. Get him away from the end zone. No fair to safety now. Until something drastic happens.
15 to snap.
Hey, that's 5 yards, 7 yards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah, Bill.
Yeah, we got third down. I don't know if they're not near the first as of yet. So third and short.
Third down, y'all. Third down. No run zone. Hey, scoot back, y'all. Scoot back. Five, 4, 3, let's go. 2.
That is false start.
Kill the star. Hey, you take kill. Go. Stay with him.
Was complete.
Spicy.
20 to snap right here. Go back out.
Come on, y'all.
15 to snap.
There you go, right there.
Say all that ass you bounce.
10. Go. Pass the line. Got it, Riley.
I told you, Riley. I knew it. Hey, yeah, get him for tape. Get him for tape.
I told you.
See ya, baby. See ya, baby, Riley. Oh, Riley, see ya, baby. It was the purple braid that did it. She on the wrong team.
Hey.
She was doing that. Purple braid. Purple.
No.
Fuck that, I'm still going. Yeah, get her ass. Hey, get her ass, Amy. Now come back over here, Amy. She's taking up for everybody. Get her. Yeah, get her.
Angel. I see you with the no look.
Hey, that's light skin.
That's light skin in, yeah. That's light skin more.
That one?
Yeah, one.
Let's go.
Right here, y'all, right here. We got 7.
A couple yards short from the first down. Good chunk play.
Right. Yeah. Forward.
Oh, he dropped it.
Close. Let's go. Third down. I caught one. No, but Black Mamba caught one the first one. Black Mamba caught that first one. So everybody talking to me, so all y'all look like. Right down.
First down. I think he stepped out before he pitched the ball.
It's called right. I want to be sure, please. Nah, let's go, y'all. 15 to snap.
Made the first one miss. Second one got it.
Take it down. It's open.
Pass that.
Yeah.
Incomplete pass.
Third down.
Third and goal. We gotta get something here.
Fourth down.
Outfit.
Oh. Oh, good move.
You can't run. You can't run.
He couldn't run?
Yeah, he can.
Oh, he confusing me.
What you got, my shot?
Oh, she got it. Oh, she got it. She got it. Nah, she got it. She got it. It's a 10-point game. It's 29-19. 29-19.
I don't hear shit, hop up.
Y'all didn't get y'all two. Y'all didn't get y'all two. Y'all didn't get y'all one.
29-19.
Who's up?
He said 29-19.
Should be 29-19.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cause y'all, we was up on y'all. Wow,
It don't matter what they. It don't matter what I say. It don't matter what I say.
Yeah.
First of all, how is Chauncey keeping score? He just got.
I got 29-19.
Yes, 29-23.
They just scored.
Yeah. Okay.
Not so said 11 is 9. Right. You know, 11 plus 9 is 20.
Yeah. But
And then they went for 2 and they threw it to a girl, so there's 3.
But they only had 11.
So 11 plus 9 is 20.
20.
They
Okay.
went for 2, which is
Okay.
23.
Oh, the girl caught the one on the correct. I'm sorry. I thought it was a gentleman caught it.
Yeah.
No, 23-29. 23-29. I didn't know the person that caught the touchdown was a female.
That's fine.
23-19. He's right. He's correct. My bad. That's why I asked. Don't take my word for it. I'm just an estimate.
Actually, the score is wrong.
Okay, wait a minute.
It's 20 to 29. Hey, it's 20 to 29. Because the guy scored, not the girl.
See, that's what I asked.
Y'all can't count. Them niggas can't
That's what I
count.
just asked. So it's 20. Yeah, so it should be 20 to 29. It should be 20 to 29. It was I had 29-11 and then the person who scored I put it should be 20. It should be 20. Yeah.
No, it should be 18.
No.
It was 29-11, right?
And then
And a field thing.
so regardless, it was still 8 points. If a guy scored and they got the 2, it should still be 29-19.
No, it would have been 19.
How? If it's 8, they got 8 points in total. The guy scored the touchdown.
It was 11 plus 6.
That's 17 plus the 2-point
They went
conversion.
for 2, but they gave it to girls plus 1.
Oh, so it's 3 then. Okay, so then it's 20. Okay. That boy is working. Second down. Ooh, that's why I ask questions, because I don't ever take my word for it. That's why I always ask. Don't ever take my word for it. I am a rough estimate of the score. I just ask. I don't know much about co-ed, so that's why I ask everything.
Yeah, so think of this. If a girl gets the point, the girl scores.
It's whatever it is plus 1. Okay.
Go for 2 is 3.
Let's go, Riley.
Good flag. Good flag.
No run zone. No run zone.
That's a great flag. Oh, now you want me to record in New York. It wasn't messing with me last year. Now they see that TV contract. Yes.
Yeah, they're like, hey, hello, sir.
Hello, sir, right? Ooh. Oh, he picked it off? That was a clean pick. I think that was a pick. He hit his hand? I don't think they threw a flag. Get that man some ice. hit him in the nuts, not the hand, no flag. He could just say he's going for the flag. Yeah, I gotta get a stop. No, he didn't hit his hand, he hit him down low. Yeah, but you can argue he's going for the flag. But you can argue he's going for the flag though. Even though I agree with you.
Hey, my bad, bro.
9-point game, 9-point game, guys. 9-point game. Good catch. Regardless what happens, this is a good game. This is the best game I recorded today. Oh, almost. Third down, lost it down, so I'm gonna switch to third down. So they gotta get to the middle cone, not the first cone. You see the second cone.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
So that's big because they lose yardage and they lose it down.
Third down.
Let's see what they come up here. They need a first down. Oh! It is the first down regardless. He did catch it and pitched it back. Even though he dropped it, it's still a first down. So they're still in business. They're going to have 3 downs to score. It's going to be first and long. First and goal, first. Oh, sorry. It's going to be first and goal, first and long. Oh, sorry. Oh, incomplete pass.
Take it down. 40 seconds, y'all. 40 seconds. It's first, second and goal. Second and goal.
Second and open it, that's what your girl.
Second and goal. Second and goal.
Hey, it's a close game. It's gonna get intense, man. It's a close game. It's a one-score game.
15 to snap, y'all. 15 to snap. 10. 5, 4.
This is it right here. This is it right here. Third and goal. This is it right here. Third and goal. Huh? No, either or.
They're down by 9.
Yeah, but oh yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
It's not 6.
Oh yeah, and then because if not, you have to go for 2, and the girl has to catch it. Damn. Interesting. Let's get it. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah. Because that can almost win it.
That ties the game.
Yeah, and then anything else is extra. Okay, let's see how this is gonna play out. This is gonna be good. I'm actually going to field for this one.
All right, 25 to snap.
A girl gotta score here. A girl has to score here.
Watch middle. Watch middle.
Oh. Oh, incomplete. That was clean. Turnover on downs. That's going to be final. That's going to be final. That's going to be final. Not enough timeouts to do anything. That's going to be final. Really good game. Really good game. Next is the quarters, I believe. Next is the quarters.